Hey guys, it's Wendy Bannell. I'm here at an open house and at 4208 Mendenhall. Let's go in and take a look. Here's a front door coming in. We've got a little living area over here. You can use it as an office. There's a little living area there. When we come on back, this was the garage, and they have converted it into a little media room. It's got a half bath in here, right there, and they ended up moving the garage, three-car garage, to the back, so it's a detached three-car garage. We're going to do this really quick, guys. I'm just going to flow through. Here you've got the kitchen with a subway backsplash, quartz countertops, beautiful, gas range. And then over here, you have a little breakfast area or bar, wet bar, right there. And then over here, you have another living area with a dual fireplace. Coming over here to another living area. So you've got, several options. This is a wonderful, wonderful, entertaining house. Here is a covered porch. Look at how huge that is. Up there is a little studio above the garage, which you can convert to whatever it is you want to. Right now, it's just an unfinished studio, but it has electricity, so you can make it whatever you want. Here we go. This is a half bath, one bedroom, nice bathroom, really stylish. Again, quartz countertops. Jack and Jill bathroom comes over here to the next bedroom, right here. And then we're going to go back to the master. Right here. Here you go. Beautiful master double vanity bathroom with an actual little vanity for makeup. Huge walk-in closet. And a little wraparound shower. Look at this. With dual shower heads. And the potty. So, there you go. There you go. Let me know if you'd like to come see it or if you're in the market, and I will get you set up.